Dear kids, so today we will see how to find the covariance. You might be wondering that what is covariance? Basically, covariance is when you have two variables, like for example, you have marks for science and maths, right? And you want to see that how the marks are changing with respect to each other, like how for example, if science is increasing or maths is decreasing, so you see the variability in that one. That is called covariance. If there is only one subject, we find the variance, but when we have two subjects, we find the covariance. Another example is just like you say, if you have two colors of balls like green and red, and you spread in your room, right? So you see how the balls are spread into a room. If you throw it gently, it will be the spread would be lesser, right? And it will be centered in the room. While if you like spread it like forcefully, it will be spread to the all the corners of the room, right? So in that case, the variance would be higher, right? And the variance could be positive and negative as well, right? So how it could be positive and negative? It could be positive and negative in case if one of the variable is increasing and another is decreasing. So let's see in Excel how can we find it. So there is a formula covariance. We have two options for population and for sample. So how can we do it? So we see over here we find for sample. Okay, so covariance dot for population, and then the second one is for mass variable, and then we enter. So we see here the output of covariance is a negative. Why? So it means that if one subject marks are increasing while the other subjects marks are decreasing, right? So I hope you understand the concept of covariance, when to use the covariance and when to use the variance. So thank you very much and see you in the next video.